Children, today we'll study about the objectives of business. Now the objectives of business. What are the objectives of the business? There are basically two objectives of the business: economic objectives and social objectives. Objective basically means future state of affairs which the organization strives to realize. In future, what the organization wants to realize is called the objectives of the business. There are two types of objectives: economic objectives and social objectives. First, there are 7 types of economic objectives which the organization should strive to achieve, and there are basically 5 types of social objectives which the organization should strive to achieve. So first one is the economic objectives. Under that, earning profits. Every business seeks to earn profit by satisfying the wants of the consumer. So what is the objective of each and every business? To earn profit by satisfying the needs and wants of the consumer. Earning profit is also important for the growth and survival of the business. Second is market standing. So second economic objective is market standing. Market standing means a business enterprise must try to enhance its market share, as it can earn more and more only when large number of customers are recognizing and purchasing its product. Means the enterprise should increase its market share by giving more and more services to the large number of customers. Means it should increase its customers database so that more and more people will purchase their product and get the benefits of their product. Now the third objective, economic objective, is innovation. It refers to development of new methods of production and adoption of new and latest technology. So every business enterprise should adopt a new methods of production and adopt the latest technology of doing the business, so that there will be minimum cost and maximum benefit for the customers. No business enterprise can flourish in a competitive world without innovation. Competition is increasing, and without innovation, no enterprise can compete with the other competitors. The fourth economic objective is physical and financial resources. An enterprise should aim to acquire physical and financial resources as per its need and use them efficiently. So every organization should acquire the physical and financial resources as per the requirement and need of the company, and then use them efficiently for the growth and development of the organization. Fifth objective of business is economic objective is productivity. Every enterprise must aim at greater productivity through the best possible use of resources to ensure continuous survival and progress. So every enterprise must aim at greater productivity to produce more and more goods through best possible use of all the financial and human resources, so that there will be a continuous survival and progress of the organization. Then the sixth economic objective is managers' development. So every organization should make various programs should be developed by the organization to motivate managers and to improve their performance. So the sixth objective is managers development. Every enterprise should develop such a program that their managers will develop, so that they will get motivated and each and every manager will improve their performance. Then the last objective of management is economic objective is workers' performance and attitude. A business should aim to ensure the positive attitude on the part of the workers. So every business should have a positive attitude towards the workers. So these were the 7 economic objectives of the business. Now come to the social objective. First social objective is supply good quality products. It is the duty of the businessman to produce and supply products of proper quality at reasonable price to satisfy the expectation of the customers. Means every organization should provide good quality product at a reasonable price. Why? To satisfy the expectation of the customers. Then the customers will increase and the business will be under profit. Second social objectives is avoidance of unfair trade practices. Anti-social practices such as black marketing, adulteration, misleading information, etc. should be avoided. So all the malpractices like marketing, adulteration, misleading information should be avoided by the organizations. Then the third social objective is employee welfare. It is the duty of every employer to provide good working condition, fair and just treatment and imperative wages to their employees. Every organization should provide good working condition for its employees. Then they should provide a fair and just treatment to their employees and also impressive wages, good wages or salaries to their employees. Next, the fourth social objective is generation of employment. A businessman must create employment opportunities so that different sections of the society can earn their livelihood. So every businessman must create employment opportunities. Why? So that different sections of the society can earn their livelihood and raise their living standards. Last social objective is protection of environment. Business enterprise should take all necessary steps to protect environment. Proper arrangement should be made for the disposal of effluent waste, etc. So while increasing the production, the businessman should see that the enterprise should not increase the pollution in the environment and all the proper measures should be taken to protect the environment. For example, disposal of effluent and waste disposal techniques and other techniques should be applied by the organizations. So these were the two objectives, economic and social objectives. Now the next topic is role of profit in the business. So first, what are the roles of profit in the business? First is profit is the source of income for the businessman as it is excess of revenue over cost. So what is profit? It is the excess of revenue over cost and it is the only means of income for the businessman. Second, if the business is managed, second is role of profit is if the business is managed properly, it will earn profit. So profit itself is the indicator of efficient working, performance and success of the business. So every business should strive for the profit because it is the indicator of efficient working, efficient performance and the success of the business. Third role of profit is profit can be remunerated, reinvested in the business. So profit can be reinvested in the business. It is good source of finance for expansion and growth of the business. If any enterprise wants to grow and develop their organization, then the profit should be reinvested in the business for the growth and survival of the organization. The fourth role of profit in the business is a business earning profit is able to honor its liability on time. Whatever liabilities, whatever loans are there in the business, it can only be fulfilled if the business is under profit. If the business is under loss, then on time the liabilities will not be fulfilled and thus the business will close. This increases the credit worthiness of the business and builds up their reputation. So if the business is earning profit, then they will be able to clear all their liabilities on time, which will increase the credit worthiness of the business and build up the reputation of the company. Now the last role of profit in the business is if the business is earning profit, then it implies that the society approves the utility of the business. So profit itself proves that whatever good is made by the organization is very much useful for the society. So society, if the business is earning profit, society itself approves that the utility of the business is very, very high. Today only this much. Thank you.